Nice meeting you. I'm Deebot Ozmo T8, pioneered with TrueDetect 3D technology. I can detect objects as small as 1 millimeter and identify the obstacles instantly and precisely. Brand new TrueMapping laser-based navigation technology maps your home for 2 times the coverage and 4 times the accuracy. Precisely displays the map on Ecovacs Home App. 3 levels of suction power, from the carpet to the floor. No dust will be missed. And more. The multi-floor mapping technology maps every floor of your home. The innovative auto empty station cleans the robot's dustbin automatically after cleaning. You can liberate your hands up to 30 days. Deebot Ozmo T8 Plus senses everything. Cleans everywhere. 2020 Grand Launch.